today, if you want to look at a verse that probably most of you don't know as far as singing it, is Isaiah 55, Isaiah 5:5. And this is an invitation to the people of God to drink deeply at the well of the water of life. Not just getting saved, but coming to Jesus and getting close to Him and getting into our Bibles where we can literally drink satisfying, fulfilling water from God Himself. And here to the people in Isaiah's day, they were in big trouble. And he said, "Oh, everyone that thirsteth, come ye to the waters. He that hath no money, come ye buy and eat." And he goes on in verse 2, he says, "Wherefore do you spend your money for that which satisfieth not?" People buy cars and houses and clothes, and we need those things, but those things don't satisfy the inside of us like the Bible does. The Bible and a walk with God is what fills our inside. That's why so many rich people are miserable, and very common people and poor people can have the joy of the Lord because they've found the fountain of living waters inside. "Oh, everyone that thirsteth, come ye to the waters." Isaiah 55, and we do part of verse 1 and part of verse 2. "Oh, everyone that thirsteth, come ye to the water. He that hath no money, come ye buy and drink. Wherefore do ye spend your money for that which is not bread, and your labor for that which satisfieth not? Oh, everyone that thirsteth, come ye to the water. He that hath no money, come ye buy and eat."
We're going to play another game with our senses, and it's called Name That Sound. So we have half the family on a team and the other half on the second team.
Winners!
So,
Winners!
here we go. I've got the phone with the sound, and this side is going to guess first, and then we'll take a turn guessing the sound, and we'll see who ends up with the most points. Okay, so I've got the first sound.
Here, look.
No.
Like.
Hey, this is our play. That's be a tiger. Tiger or lion? Which one?
It's not your
Is it Abby? Just a sound. Is it a tiger or a lion?
What is it? Oh, this is
I
lion.
think it's a lion. Yeah. Is it a
Okay,
lion?
let's see if they got that right. It is a tiger.
Oh,
Should
it's
we
a
give it to
tiger.
them? I don't know. We got to get it right.
No,
So,
I'm gonna be cut short.
no points on that one. Okay, I'm gonna pause that, and
All right.
our
So
turn to give it a go, Brad. And
you three.
Ken.
No, don't look. Don't look.
I'm gonna put your animals. Tiger. Airplane. Airplane. Car. Airplane. It's an airplane. Yeah, it's an airplane. Yeah.
What's your guess?
Wait, I think we're gonna go with Brad, and we're gonna say airplane.
Airplane. Technically, it's a jet taking off, but I'll give you that.
Okay, Brad.
That is close enough.
He called it first.
Right.
The youngest one. Okay, we're back with the next round, and I'm gonna play the noise for this half of the team. And here we go.
White noise. White noise. White noise.
That sounds like a bear. Is that somebody snoring?
White noise.
Is that so you can listen to your husband snore on camera with a fan?
Yes, this is Caleb snoring at night.
She recorded me! Oh my goodness. That's too much. That was a recording.
What's your guess? Come on.
That's somebody snoring with a fan blowing.
Alright. It actually is not someone snoring. A bear sneezing is what it's saying.
Okay, we're going another one though.
I don't know.
That's ridiculous.
Okay, he's saying it's ridiculous. Okay, we're gonna throw that last one out, even though that will be the funniest one.
That's a good outtake.
But here we go with the next sound for this side. You wanna see?
What is that?
Puppy.
Is that a duck?
Can you guys hear it?
And a rooster? That's a duck. That's a duck.
You guys say?
Duck.
Duck.
Duck. Duck. Is that a duck?
Duck? Alright, that's the final call. And it is a duck. We got that one down. So,
Well, that one had a rooster in the background too.
I don't know, it's just saying duck. So,
I see duckies.
okay, next round with my crazy husband's hair. Maybe that'll give him some good luck. And they lost a team player, but she'll be back maybe for the next round. Okay.
Injured reserve.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know what that is? No. No. That's a lightsaber, man. That's a lightsaber. Yeah, lightsaber. That's a lightsaber.
Nice lightsaber for the win. I didn't know if they were gonna get that one. I would not have. Would you have gotten that one? Whoa. He's still confused.
All right.
Okay,
Oh,
so
the
what's
lightsaber.
this
It was popcorn.
Popcorn.
You just saw the picture. 2-2, and we gotta get this one, guys.
All right.
Ready, Brad?
See what they got. Oh boy.
Whoopee cushion or tooting? Daddy's gonna be technical.
Tooting as ready tooting as soul.
What do you think?
Okay.
It's tooting. It's tooting.
Okay, do you want to just go with tooting?
Yeah.
Right.
Toots, farts. It says Bradley on here, I think. Actually. Doesn't say Bradley. Yeah, that's a fart.
Okay,
Oh,
you got it.
Oh, it's a saw.
Okay, guys, ready? Ready for the next one? Okay, here we go.
You know what that is? It sort of sounds like what else? Sound like a whip?
Yeah.
That's a whip, yeah. That's gotta be a whip.
Okay, cracks his whip. We'll give it to them. All right.
There we go.
Okay, we've got 3.
To 3, yeah, 3-3. But they gotta go. This will here will end this round. I think we have one more round after this. All right, one more round. Let's see what you got next. Here we go.
Bird noises. You think it's a bird? Macaw. Yeah, I'm just
You
gonna
can't
say.
read. Stop knowing what you're trying to read.
My guess is macaw. You wanna go with that? Okay. Alright, we say macaw.
That is a crow. I'm sorry.
It wasn't saying mom, though.
Doesn't count. 3-3. That's an inside joke about them saying no. All right.
Okay. Okay, we've got the whole family back for the last round. Happily sitting in Daddy's lap. So we will let them go first again, and then we'll finish up. And if we have a tiebreaker, we'll let the twins battle it out. Okay.
Right.
So here we go for the last sound. Okay.
Oh. You know what that is?
Super fast car.
Super fast car. That's what I guess, like a race car, NASCAR or something.
Alright, they got it. Race car.
Yeah, good job,
That
man.
means we have to get this, guys.
Let's see.
Get to
Break
the
it
last
on.
one. Okay.
Break it on.
Here we go. See if you can get this one.
Train.
Sounds like choo-choo. Train. Alright, we're going with the train.
Train whistle. We'll give it to him. Train.
Okay. Alright, so we have a tie. Hey, they're gonna battle it out. We have Titus and Ken. Gonna say what they think sound is. You guys ready? First I'm for Team Ken.
Titus, let's go, man. You're the oldest. You gotta win.
Who's your number? Or bigger than?
You gotta bro win.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Oh yeah, Canada has a bigger brain.
3, 2, 1. Sheep? No.
Go.
Goat. That was a goat.
Oh, so close.
That was a goat.
Okay, so we got the winners.
Winners, Abby, we're the winners! Yay!
Loser.
Winners!
We'll give them high fives for the win, or maybe we should let
five,
Daddy
Brad.
snore in their ears tonight.
High five, Brad. You're the winners. You're the losers. Hope you guys can do
Next
this
time, guys.
next time. Yeah,
There'll be another one.
yeah. Hope you guys have fun doing this yourself at home.
And if you can't find any sounds, you can always record your dad snoring.
It's pretty loud, huh? Yeah. All right. See ya.
Bye.
Read your Bible, pray every day, pray every day, pray every day. Read your Bible, pray every day, and you'll grow